What's up, YouTube? It's Alex Combow here, founder of Snowbound Apothecary. I've got some great news for you guys today. We are hiring. We're looking for a sales representative, and we're offering you the chance to work remotely, work your own hours, and most importantly, work with a purpose. Now I know what you're thinking, why would I want to go work for this startup company? Well, that's a great question. We are a company with a mission. We want to be the one-stop solution for all of our clients for all graphic design needs. That means a company comes to us for graphics and can stay with us for the entire life of their company. Logos, flyers, business cards, you name it, we want to do it. We want to own the graphic design industry. So in order for this vision to work, we need to hire a team member completely dedicated to sales. We understand that sales is one of the most important positions for any company, and so we want you to really just take control of the sales position. And we're giving you a powerful vision to work towards every single day and a chance to be an active member in the business development process. That means we value your opinion, we value your ideas, and we want to listen to what you have to say, and we want to give you the chance to create the perfect sales call with us. So why work for a company that does not value your opinions when you can work for one that actually pays you for them? Why work for a company that takes advantage of your drive, your energy, your commitment, when you can work for a company that pays you more based off of how hard you work? Our commission-based positions have zero caps. We will pay you more and give you incentives, tier-based incentives based off of how hard you work. That means bonuses, bonuses, bonuses. We believe in giving you more money the more money you bring in. We believe hard work pays off and should pay more. We believe in creating a champion building environment, and we believe in fostering leaders to lead the future of the company. Now, we're located in Oklahoma City temporarily and work with nationwide clients, so we want to work with nationwide employees. No matter where you're from, come try out with us at the Apothecary. There's no reason for you to not join us just because you're from somewhere else. But if you're from somewhere across the nation, then we will require regular video calls, whether that's Skype or some other video program, to just make sure that everybody is in line with the vision. So what does the perfect candidate look like? Well, the perfect candidate has 2 to 4 years customer service experience and has endless drive and an abundance of energy to help manifest a powerful vision. Now, if you don't have 2 to 4 years of customer experience, if you only have 1 to 2 years, go ahead and apply anyway. This is just what our ideal candidate looks like. And you do not need any sales experience. We just want to know that you know how to work with a customer with energy and how to work optimistically with customers. Now, if this sounds like you, simply email your resume to snowbound.apothecary@gmail.com. And this video will go ahead and end off with our official job posting. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, please comment, please subscribe to check out my future content. And if you're interested in applying, don't hold back. If you know anybody that would want to apply for a position like this, please go ahead and share this video with them, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.